Everybody, fellow pickers, I've got a ACE series A527 sent to me by Subsonic 1050. He's back on the scene picking again, so I'm glad. As you can see, if you can make out, it's got serrated key pins, and I've got the key, but I've put it somewhere, so I can't be asked getting it out like. But yeah, it's a good lock. It's a great lock to pick. It's just like an American. It picks like an American. Sometimes it opens quick, sometimes it takes ages, but light tension seems to be the trick. Sorry, I'll just set the camera up so all people can see. I'm sorry if you can't see like the keyway like properly, because problem is that it's like on an angle, so it's a bit hard for my camera to focus in. One sec. Yeah, there we go. We're right now. I'm using really light tension on a Salford Max 7B pick. I'm waiting for the 8B to come. Really like these picks after the Peterson gem. Work great in tight keyways. It's just that first pin. Sometimes it's hard to get to it. I'm looking for a fault set. I'm hardly putting much tension on at all. Seen the other day Medico, Ashman picked that Medico with great skill. Heard they're really hard locks to pick. There I've got a fault set. So now, hopefully it should be pin 1. That's the gatekeeper. I've picked this lock in about a minute usually, but obviously on camera it's always longer. I'm just going to turn it a bit towards me. There we go. I think I got that pin on set. Fucking hate these serrated pins. So unpredictable. Swap over to Woody Woodpecker's pick. This is an excellent pick. I love the handle on it. Nice and thick. There we go. There. Open. Lock open. I'm sorry people, you couldn't see what was going on in the keyway, but this is the lock I've got, and this is the time I've done it in. Thank you very much. I hope to see you people again. I'm a bit stuck on this Tesset T5, I think it is. I don't know, it's got serrated pins, but I don't know whether it's got security pins as well. I keep getting a big fault set, but that's about it. Thank you.